You've probably heard of n8n AI automations, but did you know that 42% of templates on n8n official site already use AI models? In this video, I'll show you the 7 n8n nodes that play an important role in the AI templates. Want to unlock the true power of AI in n8n? In this video, we'll break down how the chat model, embedding node, and information extractor node work, so you can start building smarter workflows today. We will look at manual trigger, OpenAI chat message, embedding, simple vector store, document loader, text splitter, and information extractor nodes. That's a lot of nodes. But why? Because embedding node is a subnode. And to show how it works, we have to bring in the vector store root node. Such combination of root node and subnodes are called as cluster nodes in n8n. Struggling to pick the right AI node in n8n for your workflow? It usually comes down to one thing, not remembering what goes in and what comes out of the nodes. Let's break the nodes down. Inputs, outputs. Chat message model node takes text as input and returns text as output. Information extractor node takes text as input and returns structured text or JSON object as output. Embedding node takes text as input and returns embeddings as output. Embeddings are a list of decimal numbers. The vector store node is a root node whose sole purpose is to store embedding data. The vector store takes text as input. As it is a root node, it will work with document loader node, text splitter node, and embedding node to convert it into vectors and store them. You need get an OpenAI account and get the API key for using it when the credentials are requested. Here's the exact workflow we'll master together in this video. Once you've got this down, tackling advanced AI workflows in n8n will feel effortless. Let's dive in. Start by creating a new workflow and name it as Goal 6 AI Nodes. Add a manual trigger node to the canvas. Under AI Nodes, click on OpenAI, and in the list, choose Message a Model node. This is the node that shows how AI model works. In the parameter window, you will have Credential box. Click on New Credential and enter the API key that you have got. I already completed this step. There are different operations that you can do in this node. Next, choose the cheapest model for testing. Clicking on Execute Previous Nodes will populate the input side, but there is no data coming in. Go back to Canvas and open the manual trigger node. In the output side of the trigger node, click on the pencil icon and add the text data like this, and save. Head back to Chat Model node and you will see the input. In the prompt box, pull in the input field, and then add the prompt like this and test the output. You will see the text generated by the model with additional fields. That's the chat model. Next, we will see the information extractor, or as named here, the output parser. Go to the search node area. Under AI nodes, choose the information extractor node. Info extractor requires a model. Clicking on model plus icon on the bottom here, you will be taken back to Canvas to choose the available AI models. Choose the OpenAI chat model. This is same as the model we introduced first. Select the GPT 3.5 Turbo model in the list and go back to Canvas and open the information extractor node. In the text area, type a sentence that contains a person name and what he likes. Then click on Add Attribute and create Name Attribute and Hobby Attribute like shown here. Name Attribute must be of type string and description must describe to the model what a name will be. We have to do the same for Hobby Attribute next. Type will be string, and description will describe what a hobby is to the model in detail. After that, click on the test step, will return the output in JSON format as shown here. Name and hobby information is extracted from the sentence. In the canvas, add a new node and click on AI Nodes, scroll to Other AI Nodes. Click on Vector Stores, and then choose Simple Vector Store node. Inside that, choose Add Documents action. It will open the Vector Store parameter window. You will see the vector store key. This will be used for retrieving the documents later. We can also see the 4 actions listed. At the bottom, we can see the embedding and document loader plus sign. Back in the canvas, click on plus under embedding and choose the OpenAI embedding model. It will open the embedding parameter, provide the OpenAI credential there. Leave the default model. Back on Canvas, you will see embedding node is added. Click on plus sign under document loader and choose Default Data Loader. Leave the parameters as default for this node. Back on Canvas, under Document Loader, you will see plus sign under Text Splitter. Click that and choose Recursive Character Text Splitter. Reduce the chunk size to 5 in the parameter window. We will see the reason in a couple of seconds. Back in Canvas, the vector store is ready for testing. Click on Test Step and you will see the output as shown here. Clicking on the logs, we can see the input and output of each node that is connected to the vector store. We can see how the text splitter has split the input into 3 words. After that, how the embedding model has taken the 3 words and created a list of embedding vectors. With that, we know what is required for the vector store to work and how the embedding node helps the vector store. That brings us to close of this video on 7 n8n nodes that are used in many AI workflow templates. Flows shown in video can be downloaded from this Git repo. The link in description. Sooner or later, every online workflow runs into errors, but your automation shouldn't crash and burn. In the next video, I'll show you how to catch those errors, log them, or even notify the user, so your workflows never stop.